Hello everyone, thank you very much for participating in this Synology C2 webinar, in which I'm going to present to you the C2 Partner Portal, as well as give you an introduction of the various C2 services. So my name is Stefanos Tsirimokos, and I work for Synology as a Solutions Manager specialized in the cloud, surveillance, and networking. So what is C2? C2 is the Synology Zone Cloud for safe data. Our cloud service is a reliable and secure option for businesses and individuals to store and manage their data. In order to accompany users from all over the world, our network of data centers is spread across 3 different locations: in Taiwan, in the United States, and in Germany. And this ensures that users have low latency and high availability no matter where they're located. We have invested in state-of-the-art infrastructure and technology to ensure that our data centers are always running at an optimal performance. In terms of storage capacity, we have 200 petabytes available, which is enough to meet the needs of even the most data-intensive users. And with our advanced data protection measures, including regular backups and encryption, users can have peace of mind knowing that their data is safe and secure with us. Synology C2 Cloud is already trusted by more than 100,000 users, and we're constantly working to improve and expand our services. So whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone who needs a reliable place to store your personal data, Synology C2 has a solution for you. So our European Synology C2 Datacenter is located in Frankfurt, in Germany. And as a European data center, we are subject to strict privacy regulations, and we're committed to upholding the highest standards of data security. In addition to our Frankfurt locations, as discussed, we also have data centers in Seattle, in USA, and in Taiwan. And our data centers meet all the RGPD requirements and includes an integrated DPA to ensure compliance with these important privacy regulations. We're also ISO 27001 certified, which is widely recognized standard for data security management. At Synology C2, we understand that the security of your data is of the utmost importance, and that's why we have implemented a number of measures to protect your data, including encryption of all transfers and communications, as well as encrypted storage at rest. We also have advanced security protocols in place to prevent unauthorized access to our data centers. And perhaps the most important point is that Synology does not even have access to your files and services. You remain in complete control of your data at all times. We are fully committed to providing you with a secure and reliable data storage solution. With the risk of repeating myself a bit, at Synology C2, we believe that trust and security are the foundation of our cloud storage services. And that's why we've gone to great lengths to ensure that our data center is secure and our users' data is protected. Our data center has an incredible 11 nines, 99.999% durability rate. This means that your data is stored in a highly reliable and redundant manner, reducing the risk of data loss. We're also certified by ISO 27001 and SOC Type 2, which are recognized standards for data security management. And these certifications demonstrate our commitment to best practices in data security and assurance. Then when it comes to data encryption, we use military-grade AES 256 encryption to protect our users' data, ensuring that your data is secure and cannot be accessed by anyone without the proper decryption key. And as I said, even Synology cannot read our users' data. The only person that can read the data is the user. This is the only person that can access their own files. This gives our users complete control and transparency over their data. And in addition to these advanced security measures, we also have a dedicated security incident response team that is continuously monitoring the security status of our data center. The team is trained to identify and respond to any potential security threats, ensuring that our users' data remains safe and secure. So as you can see, at Synology C2, we take the protection of our users' data very seriously. We're constantly working to improve and enhance our security measures, and we are committed to providing our users with a secure and reliable cloud storage solution. So Synology C2 offers a range of cloud storage and management services to meet the diverse needs of businesses and individuals. The services can be divided into 2 categories: hybrid solutions and cloud solutions. Hybrid solutions are solutions that complement a Synology NAS. These include C2 storage, C2 surveillance, and active insight. However, we also have solutions that are fully independent and can also be used without a Synology NAS. And these are our cloud solutions and include C2 Backup, C2 Transfer, C2 Identity, C2 Password, and C2 Object Storage. So for our hybrid solutions, C2 Storage is a scalable and secure cloud storage solution that can be easily integrated with your Synology NAS. It is used to back up the Synology NAS to the cloud or sync requested data between branches. Then we have C2 Surveillance, which is a cloud-based video surveillance solution that allows you to add an extra layer of protection on surveillance footage stored on Synology NAS. And finally, we've got Active Insight, which is a cloud-based monitoring and analysis tool that helps you optimize the performance and efficiency of all your Synology NAS fleet, whether they're in your company or you're managing the fleet of your clients. In terms of cloud solutions that can be used on their own without a Synology NAS, we have C2 Password, which is our cloud-based password management solution that helps you create and manage strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts, as well as share them with your teams. C2 Identity, a cloud-based identity management solution that helps you manage and secure access to your online resources. C2 Backup, which is a cloud-based backup solution that allows you to protect your data, systems, devices, with flexible and reliable backups. Then we move on to C2 Transfer, a fast and secure file transfer solution that makes it easy to send large files between devices and locations. And finally, we have C2 Object Storage, which is a scalable and cost-effective object storage solution for storing and managing large amounts of data into the cloud. And I'm going to dive into a presentation of each of the two solutions later, of each of all the C2 solutions later in this webinar. But before we do that, for all our services, all the services that we have on C2, they can be purchased directly through our Synology website, making it easy and convenient for you to get the storage and management solutions you need. However, for those of you who are interested in reselling our services, we also have a Synology Partner Portal, a C2 Partner Portal, which is an online interface in which you can find all the resources and support you need to accompany your clients with C2 services. Now, what is the C2 Partner Portal? The Synology C2 Partner Portal is a dedicated interface designed to help resellers sell Synology C2 services to their clients. The MSP portal is a valuable resource for resellers looking to offer Synology C2 services. It provides a centralized interface for managing subscriptions and billing, making it easy to offer your solutions to your clients. All the invoices are consolidated in one place for easier management and for easier payment. And we offer tiered incentives as well to help drive profitability for our resellers. In addition to these benefits, MSPs can also receive delegation to manage subscriptions for the clients, giving them the ability to offer a full range of cloud storage and management services to your clients. This include both hybrid solutions, which require a Synology NAS, as well as our cloud solutions, which can be used on their own. So if you're interested in becoming a Synology C2 reseller, we encourage you to apply for free through the MSP portal. Simply visit our website and follow the instructions to apply, or just click on the link in the description. Our team will review your application and provide you with all the support and resources you need to succeed as a Synology C2 partner. So what you get as a Synology C2 partner, you can take advantage of a range of resources and tools to boost client management experience. Some of the key benefits of partnering with Synology C2 include periodically receiving solution insights and selling tips through the C2 e-news, which keeps you up to date with all the latest trends and best practices in the cloud solutions market. These tips and insights are designed to help you increase your sales, but can also be used for educating your clients. Then you will also have a completely centralized management system. You will be able to efficiently manage services and subscriptions between multiple tenants through an intuitive interface, which makes it easy to keep track of your clients and their subscriptions. And you have an automated and consolidated billing. You are able to download all your invoices, and you have a clear transaction history to track your payments and all the subscriptions. And this helps you streamline your billing process and reduce the time and effort required to manage your client subscriptions. And finally, you also have our tiered incentives. You have monthly rebates, which are directly applied on the next payments. So once you have created your C2 partner account, you will have access to an interface providing you with all your clients' information. Let's begin with the first tab, Overview. You have full visibility of the various plans that your customers have subscribed to. It's in this portal that you can easily search and filter through all your client subscriptions to see which services they have. You can filter the views by customer, by service, by usage, by payment status, or by renewal date, making it easy to find any information that you need. Then we move on to the Customers tab. In this tab, you can see a list of all your customers, the organization's name, a small description that you have added, as well as the status of the partnership. Keep in mind that you can manage multiple services in multiple data centers. And as mentioned earlier, your clients have the ability to delegate the management of their services to you. And with the ability to delegate the management to you, your clients can easily give you a direct access to their services, making it simple and convenient to manage their subscriptions and usage. So once getting the permission from clients, you can help them set up and manage each service. And Synology makes it very straightforward and easy for our partners to access each client's services, providing easy and direct access to each client and their services directly through the partner portal. So how does the payment work? We move on to the Transactions tab. You can see how the financial aspect has been made very convenient. One of the key benefits of the MSP portal is the ability to consolidate and pay for all your client subscriptions in one place, making it easy and convenient to manage your billing. With the MSP portal, you can pay for all your client subscriptions together once a month, saving you time and effort. You don't have to track and pay for each subscription individually. And it also helps you streamline your billing process as you can view and pay for all your clients in one place. The invoices with payment history, which are available directly, again, through the partner portal, are downloadable. And so with the downloadable invoice, you can easily access and download a PDF file of your invoice, which includes a complete payment history and makes it really easy to track your payments and ensure that all your client subscriptions are up to date. But how does it really work? So, as a Synology C2 partner, you purchase subscriptions for your clients and you help them take advantage of our cloud services. When you purchase a subscription for a client, they will have their own Synology C2 account, which gives them access to all of the features of the service. In addition to purchasing subscriptions for your clients, you also have the option to provide them with delegation permissions, which allows you to manage their C2 services for them. And this can be valuable, especially for clients who are busy or don't have the expertise to manage their own subscriptions. And it also helps you build stronger relationships and create more value for your clients. Then in terms of invoices and financials, you, the partner, you have the flexibility to purchase subscriptions for your clients and invoice them as you see fit. When you purchase a subscription for a client, you are responsible for paying for all the services and features they need. You can then, however, invoice your clients for these services using the pricing and billing model that works best for your business. We do not intervene between you and your clients, and you're free to choose your resale strategy. Whether you want to offer a standard pricing model, a bundle, or bundle services together, or create custom packages for your clients, the choice is fully yours. And finally, as a Synology C2 partner, you can take advantage of our tiered incentives and rebates based on your sales through the MSP portal. The Rebates tab in the MSP portal provides a detailed view of your rebate status, including the percentage of your target that has been achieved, the total rebates received, and the current available rebates. And with this information at your fingertips, you can easily track your progress and see how you're performing against your sales strategies. So, what are the rebates, the different rebates levels that we have? We've got 3 levels. The first threshold, for a monthly purchase amount greater than 100 euros, you earn a 3% rebate. The second threshold, for a quarterly purchase amount greater than 3,000 euros, you can earn an additional 6% rebate, bringing your total rebate to 9%. And then we've got our third threshold. For quarterly purchase amounts greater than 6,000 euros, you can earn an additional 9% rebate, bringing your total rebate to 12%. And now let's take a look at how you subscribe and attribute a service to a client. So you can easily add new clients and attribute services, once again, directly through the partner portal. To add a new client, you simply need to click on the plus button on the top right of the screen. You will be prompted to enter the client's email and other information. And once you've entered this information, you can easily attribute a service simply by clicking on the client in question. This will allow you to view and manage the client's subscriptions and usage and make any necessary changes or updates. So when you click on a specific customer in the MSP portal, you will be taken into their personal portal. On this page, you will be able to see the current services attributed to this client. In this case, we've got C2 Identity. And to attribute additional services, you simply click you simply click on the subscribe button on the right. This will bring up a list of the various C2 services available, allowing you to choose the ones that best fit your clients, the needs of your client. Then on the service you've selected, you simply need to click subscribe, which will lead you to the pricing plan of that specific service. And on this page, you will be able to select not only the plan that you want, but also the data center location. And once your payment details have been added, you can review all the information and simply click on OK to confirm. Then both the partner, you and your client, will receive an email confirming the activation of the service. The client, however, will not have any visibility regarding the invoice information or the billing information. And now that we have reviewed the key features and benefits of the C2 Partner Portal, let's now take a look at each of the C2 services that are available through the portal. So, as mentioned in the beginning of this webinar, our solutions are divided into hybrid and cloud solutions. Hybrid solutions are complementary to a Synology NAS, while cloud solutions are fully independent. Let's begin with hybrid solutions, and more particularly C2 storage, which is used to back up a Synology NAS to the Synology cloud. C2 storage. C2 storage is a transparent cloud storage solution that is specifically designed to keep your NAS data protected and available at all times. So whether you need to back up your data for business continuity, compliance, or personal reasons, C2 storage adds an extra layer of security by creating an externalized copy of your data. One of the key features of C2 storage is the use of powerful client-side encryption, AES 256, to protect your data before it leaves your NAS. And this ensures that your data remains private and secure even while it's being transferred and stored in the cloud. The backup from the NAS to C2 Cloud is done using Hyper Backup, which is a free application of your Synology NAS, which offers various and flexible scheduling and retention options to meet your specific needs. And C2 storage also includes advanced data optimization technologies such as deduplication and incremental backups. Deduplication works by breaking down data into small blocks and identifying and eliminating duplicate blocks, which reduces the amount of data that needs to be transferred and stored. And this can significantly reduce backup times and storage consumption, especially for large data sets. And then it also offers incremental backups, which means that we only transfer and store data or blocks of data that have changed since the last backup, rather than transferring and storing the entire data set. So this can as well reduce backup times and minimize the impact on your network and resources. And in addition to these features, C2 storage includes integrity checks to detect corrupted data and ensure your backups are always accessible. So with transparent pricing and flexible options to meet your needs, C2 storage is an ideal choice for businesses and individuals looking to protect their data into the cloud. And the C2 storage portal is designed to be very transparent and easy to use. You have an online space that gives you a direct access to all Hyper Backup information and tasks. And through this portal, you can view and restore all backed up files. Then we move on to C2 surveillance. So surveillance on Synology can be done using the free application called Surveillance Station. Recently, we launched a new version of Surveillance Station, version 9.0, which includes a new feature called dual recording. This allows you to save videos simultaneously in two locations that can be different, providing an extra layer of security and flexibility. And in addition to these features, Synology also offers a cloud solution for surveillance that allows you to automatically send your camera recordings to the C2 cloud and thus retain a local and an external copy of your recordings. And the Synology C2 cloud solution for surveillance also includes easy sharing with the ability to generate instant links to your recordings. And plus, with end-to-end encryption and encrypted recordings, you can be confident that your security footage is protected and secure. And as you can see on the small graphic, the camera footage can be viewed directly through the NAS using the interface of Surveillance Station. And then using dual recording, you can externalize and keep a copy of everything, even if the recording server is stolen or physically damaged. And that in addition, with all these services, you have an accessible and transparent portal where you can find all your records. We then move to Active Insight, the last hybrid solution. If you are an end user, you may have several NAS in your infrastructure. Then again, if you're a reseller, you may have customers who have delegated the management of their NAS to you. So having to manage all these NAS can be complicated to have an overview of the status of each of all these NAS. And Synology addresses this issue. To help monitor and manage your NAS through a unified interface, we have developed a dedicated dashboard, which is Active Insight. So Active Insight is a 24/7 monitoring service that provides complete visibility of your NAS infrastructure. With the service, you can generate alerts and receive notifications in the event of problems or suggestions for optimizing your infrastructure. It's accessible via a dedicated web portal or a mobile application, and it offers an overview of the operating status of your Synology NAS. It monitors a wide range of tasks. They include the performance and availability of the entire NAS fleet. It monitors the versions of DSM and the package updates, hyper backup tasks, as well as suspicion connection attempts. This helps you ensure that your NAS fleet is operating smoothly and securely. And in addition to these monitoring tasks, Active Insight also provides the ability to generate reports to keep you up to date on the status of your NAS fleet. This includes received alerts, notifications, available updates, and backup information. So with Active Insight, you can have a complete visibility and control over your NAS infrastructure, all in a centralized and easy to use interface. Let us now take a look at the cloud services, which include C2 Password, C2 Identity, C2 Backup, C2 Transfer, and Object Storage. C2 Password. We all have friends or family members who use the same password on all their accounts. Yes, it's easy and comfortable, but if someone guesses the password, then they will have access to all the accounts and basically the life of that person. Of course, there's already solutions, such as the possibility of having a password manager that will facilitate the management of passwords by recording and filling them automatically. But most of these services are not necessarily fully secure and are often costly. It's for these reasons that we wanted to develop our own password management solution that is accessible to everyone for free and with the advanced level of security that Synology and C2 can offer. We won't really go over the basic features because you probably know them all. You can easily manage all your passwords and logins. You can store and secure all your personal information such as passwords, bank account numbers, payment information. It automatically fills in the login fields, and there's automatic synchronization between devices, whether you're on your computer or a mobile device. But what is interesting about C2 Password is that it's completely free with all the features that you can use C2 Password to transfer files with all its features. And you can also use C2 Password to transfer files securely. But then in terms of security, it is very important for password management. All data is encrypted during transfer to our data centers and also encrypted at rest on our C2 servers. So for an individual user, C2 Password is completely free. For a company, we have a C2 Password Business version, which is included free of charge with our C2 Identity service, which is our identity management solution, for which we're going to talk about now. So as a company, you most likely have a domain directory. If you need to synchronize this directory across multiple sites and you want to connect cloud applications such as Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace to your domain to make it easier, this can be complicated to set up or costly in the long run. In order to help companies unify user identity management, we have developed our cloud directory platform. So with C2 Identity, businesses can easily control which users have access to specific resources and ensure that only authorized users can access them. It includes features such as single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and user provisioning, and can be used to manage access to a wide range of resources, including on-premises and cloud-based applications. C2 Identity provides a centralized management of user access and authentication to improve security and compliance, and streamlines user access to resources to improve productivity and efficiency. It allows businesses to create their own cloud-based directory servers, access the admin console from a browser to manage individual or group users' accounts, and operate all devices from one portal. C2 Identity allows organizations to consolidate redundant user accounts and simplify access to Windows and Mac devices, on-premise services, and cloud applications. So your users can thus have a single account that would allow them to log into both local sources such as Synology NAS and online resources such as Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, or Adobe. So users don't need to remember multiple accounts for each platform. They will have a unified account. C2 Identity is therefore an ideal solution for managing your employee data. But of course, as you know, managing data is important, but it's also very important to know how to protect it. Which brings me to our next solution, C2 Backup. It is important not to confuse C2 Backup and C2 Storage. As a reminder, C2 Storage allows you to back up the contents of your NAS to C2. For C2 Backup, there is no need for a NAS. We have C2 Backup is our 100% cloud solution dedicated to the backup of your Windows devices and Microsoft 365 services. With C2 Backup, you can keep all your data safe and secure by protecting your devices completely. You can secure multiple versions of documents, photos, videos, and audio files to restore your work if things go wrong. Plus, you can even back up external drives automatically when you plug them into your PC. So C2 Backup also uses incremental backup technology, which reduces the size of your backups and speeds them up. It also supports military-grade encryption technologies to ensure that your data is protected. And once you create your encryption key, no one can decrypt your data without that key, and not even Synology. And then in the event of a disaster, C2 Backup offers granular restoration options, allowing you to restore entire devices with bare metal recovery or individual Microsoft 365 objects with file level recovery. And you can also receive email alerts in case of abnormal events, so you can keep your backup tasks running smoothly. You can also automate data protection and avoid service disruptions with time or event-based backups, and customize your retention policies to retain as many backup copies as required or according to regulation. So to summarize, with C2 Backup, you can easily protect all of your data, including PCs, servers, and Microsoft 365 services. The solution offers a range of flexible backup options, including granular restoration, customizable scheduling and retention, and efficient data protection. And plus, with enterprise-grade security and reliability, you can trust that your data is protected against unauthorized access and data loss. So C2 Backup is an essential tool for businesses of all sizes looking to secure their mission-critical data. Now, have you ever tried to send a large file that doesn't fit in an email? I guess you must have. The solution often is to use probably a public transfer solution, but the problem with that is that anyone can access if they find the link, which can cause problems in terms of data privacy and security. So Synology addresses this issue with C2 Transfer. C2 Transfer is a secure file transfer solution that helps you easily and securely send large files to anyone. The difference with other solutions is that C2 Transfer will systematically verify the identity of the people receiving the files. So here's the steps to follow to use C2 Transfer. You upload the files you want to share to C2 Transfer. You enter the email address or phone number of the recipient, and you share the transfer link. When they receive the link and they want to download the files, the recipient will receive a one-time password by email or phone in order to be able to confirm their identity. And then the recipient will enter this unique password to access and download the files. So this ensures that even if someone finds the link by mistake or with malicious intent, they will not be able to achieve access to the data, as the unique password will only be sent to the real recipient. And you can also set expiration dates and download limits for your files to ensure that you maintain control of your sensitive documents every step of the way. C2 Transfer also includes watermarking features to help protect your privacy and minimize the risk of data leakage. And so with C2 Transfer, the recipient of your file does not also need to have a C2 Transfer account to access the files that you've shared. And this makes the process of sharing sensitive documents much simpler and more streamlined, as the recipients can simply follow the link that you provide and verify their identity with a one-time password. So overall, C2 Transfer is a safe and convenient solution for sharing sensitive files with external parties in a secure manner. And finally, we come to the latest C2 solution, which is C2 Object Storage, our S3 compatible object storage solution. Object storage is a different form of traditional block or file storage and offers a number of advantages, including easy scalability, better read performance, and better analytics. And C2 Object Storage is compatible with the S3 API and offers a very high level of data durability. This means that companies can use their existing tools and code with C2 and can extend and retrieve their data at any time. Now, the key benefit of C2 Object Storage is its simple, predictable, flexible, and affordable pricing structure. At €6.99 per terabyte per month, it is a cost-effective alternative to other storage solutions on the market. In addition, there's no hidden fees for API requests or data deletion, making it easy to estimate your monthly costs. If you want to try out C2 Object Storage, we do offer a 15 gigabyte free of charge test solution in order to get you to try it out. So to summarize, Synology C2 offers a range of cloud services to help businesses protect and manage their data, improve productivity and efficiency, and enhance security and compliance. We've got 4 hybrid solutions: our C2 storage solution that allows you to store the content of your NAS to the Synology cloud. C2 Surveillance helps you add an extra layer of protection by externalizing your video recordings and storing them into the cloud. Active Insight offers real-time monitoring of your entire NAS fleet, providing insights into system performance, capacity planning, and maintenance. C2 Backup provides secure and reliable backup and restoration for Windows and Mac devices, as well as Microsoft 365 services. C2 Transfer allows users to easily and securely send large files by validating the identity of the recipients. Then C2 Identity is our cloud-based identity and access management solution that helps organizations manage user access and authentication for a wide range of resources. And finally, C2 Object Storage offers scalable, cost-effective object storage with S3 compatible APIs and high data durability. And of course, as a Synology C2 partner, you have the opportunity to resell all these services to your own customers through the partner portal. And so with these powerful and innovative cloud solutions, you can help your customers protect and manage their data, improve productivity, and enhance security and compliance. And we now arrive at the end of the webinar. I would like to thank you very much for your attention. For any questions or C2 projects, feel free to contact us at bnl@synology.com. My name is Stefanos Tsirimokos, and we will now open the chat to answer to your questions. Thank you very much.